If you're familiar with Nigerian food, you'll know moi moi as a savoury steamed dish made with peeled beans, peppers, onions, and seasonings. The idea to make a sweet version, following the exact same steps but changing up the flavour, came to me in a daydream, and so here we are. I'm starting with 400 grams of peeled beans. I bought the beans ready peeled from my local African food store, which saved a lot of time. I soaked them for about 4 hours, then washed and drained. To sweeten this, I used 200 grams of chopped dates, which I also soaked for an hour or so to make blending easier. Blend the two with 500 ml of water in a food blender until you have a smooth batter, then transfer to a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then add 35 grams of cocoa powder and mix until smooth. The best thing about this batter is that you cannot overmix it because there's no gluten. This recipe is perfect for anyone following a gluten-free diet or for anyone after a unique sweet treat that's actually healthy and packed with protein. Now this is what takes it to the next level. Add 100 grams of chopped dark chocolate, or you can use chocolate chips. Mix everything until the chocolate chunks are well distributed. These are the leaves traditionally used for steaming moi moi. Layer 2 or 3 leaves together and create a little pouch. Then add 2 cups of the mixture inside before sealing it up. Repeat this process until you have used up all the mixture. I was able to make 5 in total. Carefully place the parcels in a steaming basket over some water and steam on low heat for an hour. Make sure to check the water level periodically and add more water if needed. Once done, leave to cool a little before unwrapping. The chocolate moi moi should be firm and hold its shape perfectly. If you don't have access to the leaves, you can also use ramekins. Here's an example of one I made. I would say that this food experiment was a huge success. It's chocolatey, tender, not too sweet, and has the perfect amount of richness thanks to the pockets of dark chocolate that run all the way through it. I'd love to try out other sweet flavours. Let me know what you think of this in the comments below. Would you try it? Thanks for watching as always. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, and I will catch you next time. Bye!